Hello dear students. This video is prepared to help the students of Standard 11 Commerce for the subject of stats. In this video, I shared the solution of question paper of Unit Test 3 of September month prepared by Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board. So student can check the answers as well as if they are facing any doubt in any question or sum, so they will get the solution through this video. If you having any doubt, you can send me your query in comment section also. See, first of all, section A, MCQ. Which one of the following is an example of qualitative data? The answer is A, income category. Second, which of the following variable is a continuous? The answer is D, monthly income of a person. Third, in which of the following situation mean cannot be found? Answer is B, there are open-ended class intervals. Section B, fourth question, state the methods of collecting primary data. The methods of collecting the primary data are direct method of inquiry, indirect method of inquiry, method of questionnaire. Fifth question, for which type of data multiple bar diagram is drawn? When the data about the different places, things or times are given on more than one mutually related characteristics, multiple bar diagram is drawn. Sixth, if observation have varying importance, which average should be used? If observation have varying importance, weighted average should be used. Seventh question, state the condition under which geometric mean can not be found. When the value of any one variable is either 0 or negative, then geometric mean cannot be found. Section C, obtain more than type cumulative frequency distribution for these data. Section C, question 8, state the difference between qualitative and quantitative data. See, difference between qualitative and quantitative data. The set of observations collected on qualitative variable is called the qualitative data. The set of observation collected on the numerical variable is called quantitative data. Second point, for example, sex, standard of study of students in a school is qualitative data. For example, age, weight, height, etc. is a quantitative data. Next question, question number 9. Obtain the more than type of cumulative frequency. Obtain more than type of cumulative frequency. So this is the table, more than cumulative frequency. Then section D, question number 10, characteristics of ideal questionnaire. First, characteristics title. An appropriate title indicating to add the subject or purpose of the research should be given to the questionnaire. Second, number of questions. The number of questions in the questionnaire should be sufficient and consistent with the purpose of inquiry. Third, order of question. The order of questions should be logical so that the respondent can answer the questions quickly and spontaneously without looking back. Language of questions. The language of questions should be simple. Length of questions. Questions having answers yes or no or multiple alternatives should be asked. Time. Questions concerning the remote past should be avoided. Next question 11 is related with the weighted mean. X1, X2, X3 is given. W1, W2, W3 given. It is given that find out the weighted mean X bar W. So with the help of the formula, we find out the weighted mean. Section E, question number 12, some related with the tabulation. The information is given of the year 2011, 12, 13, 14, skilled, unskilled, and total workers, male, female total. Then question number 13, find the mean. Cell text is 1000 in 1000 given, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70. Number of companies F5, 3, 14, 32, 40, 21 is given. Find out the mid value of the class and then find out di column, and at last multiply fi into di and use the formula of mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n into c. Once again, I am showing you the full solution. Share this solution with your friends also, so they can also get the benefit. Thank you.